Welcome to the Daily Wander. It's that time of year, the birds are back. So I'm back down at Kramer's Field to do a little bit more looking around, see what other species have come in. You can hear the swans in the background. They're out there doing their spring little dances. It's a good day to be out on the Daily Wander. So one of the tricks to filming birds is to begin learning what their behaviors are. And so we've got two swans here. You can see them there off the end of the lens. And I've been waiting about 10 minutes for them to calm down. They're a little bit agitated when I first came in. But now we just sit and wait, be real patient. They have a few behaviors they'll do. They tend to turn away, and then eventually curiosity will kind of get them. And then they'll come back, take a look, and that's when we can get some of those beautiful pictures of swans. So we've had a pretty successful night of birding so far. We've seen trumpeter swans, we've seen the mallards that tend to spend the winter here, seen some Canada goose. We've also seen some white-fronted goose. There was one snow goose out there who's now kind of gone into hiding. We've also seen some pintails, northern pintails, and some northern shovelers, and I just saw a herring gull come flying by. So pretty good set of birds for this time of the year. We're going to keep watching here, see if anything else might show up, something that we're not quite expecting this early in the season. But the birds are definitely back on the Daily Wander. So we're back in the car now. Just got a little tired of being out in that nice cold wind that was blowing through. Nice night for birds, nice night in general, a little bit cooler now. This is just one of those times of the year here in Fairbanks that we just look forward to, and the birds are back. Thanks for coming along on the Daily Wander. Of course, like always, feel free to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, thanks for coming.